The lessons to be learned from Nokia's downfall. Nokia's downfall teaches us the importance of not becoming complacent with success. They failed to see the threat of smartphones because they were too focused on protecting their existing business model. They didn't invest enough in developing new products and services. Nokia fell behind the competition in developing smartphones because they were hesitant to embrace new technologies. They were slow to bring new products to market, losing market share to competitors like Apple and Samsung. Nokia lost touch with its customers by developing products that engineers thought were great, rather than what customers wanted. Their smartphones were bulky, difficult to use, and lacked the features of the competition. Nokia's downfall shows the importance of adaptability. They failed to adapt to the rise of smartphones and paid the price. Businesses need to take risks and experiment with new ideas to stay ahead. The lessons from Nokia's downfall are relevant to businesses of all sizes. To succeed in today's rapidly changing marketplace, businesses need to be innovative, customer-centric, and adaptable. What lessons have you learned from Nokia's downfall? Share your thoughts in the comments below.